Like previous one, we can also define water loop, hot water and cold water loop for the space 2. So first of all, we can define chilled water loop. So you can write here CW1. CW1, we give name this CW1. So here you can define this chilled water, and we select air cooled chiller. Similarly, we can add water loop again for hot water. So this is our hot water, and we name this HW1. So name this HW1. So after adding these two, then we can add air system. So for adding air system, we have air system 2, and then we can define chilled water coil. As you know that we have CW1 for this. Similarly, we can define heating coil for hot water, and which is HW1. So after adding this, we can define zone equipment. So as you know that in zone we can select fan coil unit 2, and now here we can define equipment type. So we have equipment type is VAV box. So we have heating coil. So hot water coil, here we can define HW1. Similarly, we have air system 1. Select this. Now move this dining to FCU2. After that, we can add water loop again. Here we can add chilled water loop 3. So you can define here chilled water, apply this. Similarly, add again hot water HW, and add hot water. So HW3. So we can add hot water 3 and chilled water 3. Now after that, we can add air system. So at cooling coil air system, we have chilled water, and similarly VCW3. And for hot water, we can add HW hot water and HW3. Now we have air system 3. Apply this. So after that, you can add zone equipment. So we have zone equipment 3, FCU3, and now here we can add zone equipment, heating coil, hot water, defining HW3, air system 3. Move to this FCU3, and now this. So project browser, select mechanical 1, and then add zone equipment. Select this zone, and FCU, select FCU. Add zone equipment again. Go to Analyze tab and add zone by space. FCU2, select again. Select this one again. Zone equipment, select FCU3. Apply this. Select this. So now remove all this, and then generate. Click on energy optimize. Go to energy optimization panel and click on system analysis, and then click on HVAC system load and sizing. So it take time.